Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix GB WhatsApp ban problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in GB WhatsApp and then search for it. And once it loads, what you need to do is check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings app, scroll down and then tap on general, and once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, here what you need to do is scroll down and then find GB WhatsApp app and then tap on it. Let me just assume this WhatsApp app is that app, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on offload app. Now what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. After finishing the process, tap on this delete app, and once that process is complete, your problem should be fixed. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.